So now we're going to do a group meditation, right?
Yeah, yeah.
We're going to put the lights down a bit. Are we supposed to sit for
Let's
this,
sit down.
Gabby?
Let's relax.
Okay.
Let's all sit down. So this
Oh,
is
that
a meditation.
feels good. I just love sitting down in the middle of the day.
Yes, just relax. This is your opportunity now. And this is who out here is judging somebody right now? You got a little judgment going on? Anyone? Come on, people.
Well, I was judging you, but I'm in love with you
see,
now.
we made it work.
I am not judging you at all.
So if we have a judgment or a grievance, this is a meditation for just cutting the cord of that negative attachment. So
I can absolutely think about someone that I judge often.
That's right. Think about somebody right now. And is anybody out there, you know, if you have like a relationship that's ended, a boyfriend or something, and it's 10 years later and you're still thinking about them, that's because there's an energy attachment when we break up. Even if we don't see somebody physically, we can still have a negative judgmental attachment.
I think everybody can relate to that.
We can relate. So let's all take a moment to close our eyes. We're going to do a 1-minute meditation. Closing your eyes, maybe uncrossing your legs, placing your palms facing upward, and just get relaxed and roll your shoulders back. Take a moment to think about that person, situation, or even yourself that you may be judging. And take a deep breath in and breathe into the space in your body where you may be feeling that resentment or that judgment now. And on the exhale, let it go. Take another deep breath in and feel the feelings that come up around that judgment, around that resentment. And on the exhale, let it go. In your mind's eye, see this person standing before you. And remember, it might be yourself, the person whom you've been judging. And as you see them standing before you, witness this cord attached between the two of you. You can almost see like a dark black cord attaching your heart to their heart. And this cord represents the negativity, the frustration, the anger, the resentment. And take a deep breath in and set the intention to cut the cord, and on the exhale, release. And next to you, envision that there is a big sword next to you, and you can grab this sword with your right hand. And grab this sword, and as you pick this sword up, you see that cord attached between the two of you, and you cut the cord now. And on the inhale, you breathe in, and on the exhale, you see that cord dissolve to the ground. Take a deep breath in, release. See that cord dissolving into the ground and releasing you from all the negativity and all the judgment and attachment. And take one last deep breath in and release. And open your eyes to the room.
You know, I actually gave myself a little pain in the side there when I
You felt it? You actually felt it?
I really did. Like, I physically felt like I was trying to push that away from me.
Yes. No, it's possible.
Is that weird?
Yeah, no, it's not weird at all. It's complete. Because we talk about these energy cords as sort of a visualization, but truly, it's an attachment. We are hooked. When we are in a resentment or attacking someone, we are hooked into it, and we can't stop thinking about it. So this meditation is a beautiful visualization of just cutting that attachment.
I literally physically felt like I was cutting it away from me. I'm almost crying. That was so weird.